In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer Solana to Trezor. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the step-by-step guide that you have to do to transfer any amount of Solana from an exchange wallet to Trezor. So first, make sure that you have the Trezor hardware wallet set up and good to go. This can be either a Model T or Safe, and that you have the latest version of Trezor Suite installed on your computer. Now, first, secure your Trezor. If you haven't set it up already, connect your Trezor to your computer and follow the on-screen instructions. This will allow you to set up or unlock your device. Ensure that you have everything set up, including a strong password and recovery seed. Now, obtain the Solana receiving address. Open the Trezor Suite executable on your computer and navigate to the Solana tab. Click on Receive Solana and verify the Solana address displayed on your Trezor device. This should match the one shown on your computer screen. So after you tap the plus sign and choose the option to receive Solana on Trezor, you will receive the address that you have to copy. This is either going to be the wallet address that you can copy or a QR code that you can scan. Now, to initiate the transfer, log into your exchange or wallet where your SOL is currently stored and initiate a withdrawal of your Solana. Paste the Solana receiving address from Trezor into the withdrawal form or use the QR code displayed. Double check the address for accuracy before confirming the transaction, and keep in mind that some exchanges might have additional security measures, such as two-factor authentication, to complete this withdrawal. Now, once this is done, you will be able to confirm the transaction. So your Trezor device will prompt you to confirm the transaction, and after you tap the appropriate button, you will receive the amount of Solana that you have sent over. You can send a small amount first to confirm that everything is working properly, and afterwards send out the remainder. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer Solana to Trezor. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.